Hey everyone, this is Reggie with the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to update you on the play of the week. Have you ever wanted to see what labels are going to be applied to your files or get an idea of what files have already been labeled with your turned on labeling policies? Microsoft is currently rolling out service-side auto-labeling to show the file labeling progress in US government clouds. This is going to cover files in SharePoint and OneDrive, and will show you your files that are currently labeled and files to be labeled. Additionally, it will break it down by the different sites. If a policy includes Exchange as a location, the number of emails that were labeled won't be displayed because labels are automatically applied as messages get sent out. You can check out this feature in your Microsoft Purview compliance portal for DoD, GCC, and GCC High. Ask your IT team for assistance with locating this feature to get started with monitoring the effectiveness of your labels. That's all for this play of the week. Thanks for listening in. We'll be back with another one next week, so stay tuned. Have a fantastic week.